The amount most certainly is right now at $0 a really significant manner. The $0 level for SPELL USD basically is serious areas of strength for truly all aims and purposes in opposition to prevalent thinking. SPELL USD fundamentally is stood up to with opposition level of R1 at $0.00096090, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Bears control spells especially current cost activities in a very significant manner. The 14th of June 2023. In this video we will explicitly walk you through basically spell genuinely token cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now and in every practical sense. Attempt to answer these habitually basically clarified pressing issues. What in every way that really matters is transient cost expectation for sort of spell token. Explicitly is truly spell a kind of wise venture, which all things considered is very huge. Spell fundamentally token help and opposition levels and so on, showing that generally spell really token help and obstruction levels and so forth in a for the most part significant manner. Be that as it may, prior to plunging exceptionally profound into the spell specialized examination, in a real sense let us really discuss the ongoing economic situations in an unobtrusive manner. Market examination over the by and large last 24 hours. There basically was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the essentially whole digital currency market to $1,058,986,395,016 sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. The very all-out exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $28,914,442,597 in an all things considered huge way. Bitcoin shares 47.59% of the entry market while Ethereum certainly has a strength of 16.33%, which explicitly is genuinely critical, which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $25,973.95 level after a decay of 0.78% in an essentially significant manner. Various elective digital currencies, as ETHEREUM in a real sense has seen a value lessening of 0.37% coming to $1,745.65 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting what for the most part brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $25,973.95 level after a decay of 0.78%, lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $248.77, following a value change of 2.94% inside a similar time span in an exceptionally significant manner. XRP the in every practical sense. Local coin of XRP basically is somewhere near 9.41 and presently exchanging at 51 cents in a for the most part significant manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem. So XRP, the very local coin of XRP in a real sense, is somewhere near 9.41 and as of now exchanging at 51 cents in a genuinely large manner. These occasions especially show that the market sort of is going in a truly descending bearing for truly present moment, exhibiting how furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem. So XRP, the fundamentally local coin of XRP explicitly is somewhere around 9.41 and as of now exchanging at 51 cents in an especially enormous manner. As of now, an exceptionally broad sort of regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, showing how as of now, a kind of broad genuinely bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, or so they in a real sense thought. Spell essentially token help and opposition backing and obstruction in a real sense are significant specialized markers used to generally distinguish commonly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, or so they really thought. Support truly is a level at which purchasers essentially become kind of more truly dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from falling any sort of additional in an unobtrusive manner. Similarly, obstruction by and large is a level at which vendors explicitly become move pretty dynamic and in every practical sense, prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, or so they generally thought. Following truly are the help and opposition levels of generally spell kind of token truly spell especially token execution the cost of in every practical sense. Spell genuinely token for the most part is at $0, down 1.69% in the sort of beyond 24 hours and explicitly has a value change of 6.06% throughout the week. Kind of additional appearance how the truly all-out exchanging volume truly remains at $28,914,442,597 certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. One-day exchanging volume for BTC really is $7,682,709.00 while genuinely all-out market cap came to $89,992,626 So one-day exchanging volume for BTC truly is $7,682,709.00 while for the most part all-out market cap came to $89,992,626 in a by and large huge manner. There basically are practically 103,446,920,678 for the most part are available for use out of 103,214,939,480, exhibiting how one-day exchanging volume for BTC by and large is $7,682,709.00 while certainly all-out market cap came to $89,992,626. So one-day exchanging volume for BTC in a real sense is $7,682,709.00 while complete market cap came to $89,992,626 in an unpretentious manner. Spell truly token value examination certainly spell cost investigation for the 14th of June 2023 inside and in every practical sense. Day-to-day time period sort of made sense of beneath, exhibiting that there in a real sense are practically 103,446,920,678 especially are available for use out of 103,214,939,480, showing how one-day exchanging volume for BTC for the most part is $7,682,709.00 while by and large complete market cap came to $89,992,626. So one-day exchanging volume for BTC for the most part is $7,682,709.00 while genuinely all-out market cap came to $89,992,626 or so they sort of thought. We utilize commonly relative strength index, moving in every practical sense, normal union and dissimilarity, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including truly straightforward moving sort of normal and dramatic moving genuinely normal to essentially examine the future development of the spell token, exhibiting that similarly, obstruction fundamentally is a level at which dealers become move commonly dynamic and essentially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, or so they sort of thought. While Spell's Williams %R pointer most certainly is at 54.378 for the 14-day time span showing an unbiased condition. A exchange essentially signal by and large is entirely conceivable at this reach in a genuinely significant manner. The SPELL USD moving fundamentally normal combination and difference pointer by and large is showing a present moment explicitly sell truly signal as the MACD line in a real sense is moving underneath certainly signal line which true implies in a real sense bears explicitly are ruling on the lookout. Kind of additional appearance how these occasions generally show that the market basically is going in an exceptionally descending course for all things considered. Present moment, exhibiting how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem. So XRP, the truly local coin of XRP explicitly is somewhere near 9.41 and as of now exchanging at 51 cents in a kind of significant manner. According to the cost examination